Hello friends, how are you? This is from Malafia Entertainment. Today, I will show you how to send files from your computer to your phone and vice versa, using Xender, Android app. Let's start. First open Xender on your phone. Press the app icon on the left top corner, a navigation panel will open, then press the Connect to PC button. A window will open. Press the Hotspot tab, then press Create Hotspot button. Now your phone creates a hotspot and show a 3-step instructions. Follow the instructions. Step 1. Connect your PC to the Wi-Fi network, Xender_something. Step 2. Open your web browser. Enter the following web address, 192.168.43.1, 33455. Now your PC sends a request to connect to your phone. Accept the request by clicking Accept button in your phone. As soon as you accept the request, the browser shows files on your phone. Images, musics, apps, documents, files. To send files from your phone to your computer, select the file and click Download button. The file will be downloaded to your PC. To send a file from your PC to your phone, select the file on your PC, drag the file and drop it on the browser, where a phone image is shown. Now the file will be uploaded to your phone. Thank you for watching. Aim Seganelu.